Well, I haven't taken a lot of footage here at DeGray Lake, but it's mostly because we've been sitting in our vans out of the rain for 2 days. But it's supposed to clear up today. No more rain in the forecast. 82 degrees for the high. So we are going to head out, go check out a wildlife management area. Goodbye, DeGray Lake. It's been fun.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
And this is where we've landed. Bois D'arc Wildlife Management Area. Next to a little waterfall-y. It'll do, it'll do. They have some cute little campsites right over there on the lake, but there's a lot of fishermen and stuff around there, and it's a bit breezy, so we came back down here. We've camped in this exact spot before. There's a lot of egrets that hang out right here, so we're just gonna sit here and enjoy our morning. It's supposed to warm up here in a little while. That sun's trying to break loose, so looking forward to that. I don't think anything too exciting is going to happen, but if it does, I'll be sure and share it with you guys. Just a beautiful day. Uh-oh, Vicky's breaking out the Dutch oven. Hello, Billy. Hey, just wondering, how many briquettes do we need for a Dutch oven to make a lemon poppy seed cake? 18? Are you sure? Okay. All right, thanks, bud. Bye. He said 18. Billy Strong knows, so let's do it. Billy said 18.
I'm doing a couple extra.
Oh.
Hayes for back there.
Okay, I get that.
Hayes ice cream, not Billy.
All right. So, hey, Billy, it's me again. We just wanted to double check. Would you mind asking Rhonda about that? Yeah. No, of course we trust you. Of course we trust you. We were just wanting a second opinion. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, don't be too mad at her. All right. All right. Talk to you later. Bye. Rhonda says you only need 16. So I think we should go 17.
I think we're good.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I think it's good.
Still count this.
All right. Let's see what's happening here.
Caller?
She looks good.
Yeah.
And this is where the magic happens.
So fancy.
So fancy. Man, that is so good.
Yay.
Good stuff, Vic. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yum.
Still warm.
Yep. So this is the last night of our epic adventure around Arkansas. We're actually camped in Texas right now at the Caddo National Grasslands, I believe it's called. As you can see behind me, there's no grass. I mean, it's beautiful forest, but I think that's what it's called. This little campground used to be $6 a campsite. I haven't camped here in years. But yeah, last time I was here, it was $6 a campsite. Now it is $10 a vehicle. So we are, yeah, we went ahead and stayed here. There's nowhere else to go. Tomorrow we'll finish up and head to the house. So it's been a really fun adventure. It was really fun not knowing where we were going night to night and just checking out different little wildlife management areas and different little campgrounds. So I highly encourage you, if you ever have the time, just go out for a road trip. Go out and just don't go that many miles. I mean, with the price of gas, that's part of the reason we decided to stay in Arkansas. And also the age of our vans, we didn't know if we really wanted to go all the way to Virginia right now. Vicky's van's been giving her a little bit of trouble, and we just didn't really want to risk it. So decided to stay in Arkansas, and it was one of the funnest times ever. So enjoyable. It rained a lot, but it was fun. Very good time. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to have an announcement for Lollapalooza 2022 coming up real soon. So just stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and that way you'll be notified whenever I have a new video out with information about the Palooza. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay lost, my friends. Is that a cat on your back?
Well,
It is a cat.